Hi everybody, my name is Karen and I am the Associate Counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on what is a pre-college program. If you are familiar with the pre-college program, this workshop is here to inform you all about it. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with a definition of a pre-college program. These programs are designed for students who would like to spend a portion of their summer at a university of their choice. So it's only a portion of their summer, it is not during the whole summer. However, there are some programs that are longer than others. Students will be able to take classes as well as experience a campus life at that university. Usually pre-college programs will allow you to stay at the campus or will allow you to commute to the campus. Of course, there are residential and commuter options available. As I mentioned before, for residential, you will usually be staying at the campus itself. Maybe it could be like in the dorms. And for commuter options, that is if you're going to a local college, if you enrolled at a local pre-college program, then you have the option to commute there. I'm not going to go over each and every one of these type of pre-college programs, but you can feel free to pause the video so you can go ahead and just evaluate them at your own pace. But just to go over some of them, for example, we have STEM pre-college programs, which is the science, technology, engineering, and math, if that is something that it sounds like you're interested in. Maybe you're interested in writing, so you can pursue a pre-college program in English and writing. Or maybe you don't want to look at something for a specific subject itself. Maybe you want to pursue something in leadership, so you can go ahead and check that out as well if you would like to pursue some leadership skills. Or maybe you can just pursue a pre-college program specifically for college prep if you would like to prepare for college, and maybe that specific college is one that you are interested in. What are the pros and the cons of a pre-college program? Let's start with the pros. With pros, as you can see, there are a few pros. For example, you'll be able to explore your interests. That is, if you don't know exactly what you want to major in, and that is completely fine. A lot of high school students use the time to explore their interests and explore what they actually want to major in. In a pre-college program, you can go ahead and take college courses to see if that is something that stands out to you. You'll be able to get college credit. As I mentioned, you can take college courses while you are enrolled in a pre-college program, and these college courses, of course, will transfer over for college credit. You will get first-hand experience because you'll be able to actually go on a college campus. Either you will pursue a residential program or a commuter program. You will get first-hand experience on what is it like being a college student at that specific campus. Now let's move on with the cons. For example, the cost. Some pre-college programs are expensive and maybe you won't have the specific resources to be able to pay for that pre-college program, and financial aid may not be an option because you are not a college student just yet. Another example is that attending a program does not mean that you are getting accepted into that college. It might make you stand out on the college application specifically for that college, but the pre-college programs are separate from the admission process to that college. And finally, something else is academic rigor. Because you are still a high school student, you may not be used to college coursework. That is, if you have not taken any AP courses or any college level coursework in high school, an academic rigor of a big college course may be something that is a con for you. Where should you look for pre-college programs? You can look at the university websites itself. That is, you can make a Google search saying pre-college programs at University of blank. Or you can do something or just go to the university website itself, whatever seems the best for you. And right there you would see like a list of pre-college programs that they offer. And so maybe there is something right there that stands out to you. Your high school counselor or faculty at your high school. Maybe your high school counselor knows of any pre-college programs that you may be interested in, or maybe they can do their research with you to find a pre-college program that is very applicable to you. High school billboards. Usually in high school, maybe you would have like a billboard with like ads or maybe job postings or things that high schoolers may be interested in. And some of those postings may be for pre-college programs. So you can go ahead and check that out and see if some ad right there looks like something that you're interested in. And finally, we have your local library. At your local library, you can also see maybe flyers, or maybe you have like resources to help you look for pre-college programs. So you can check that out as well. We have the Harvard Pre-College Program, Brown University Pre-College Program, Stanford Pre-College Studies, University of Michigan Summer Academic Opportunities, and UC Berkeley Pre-College Colors. So you can go ahead and check out the website of that specific university if these programs look like something that you are interested in. All right, we have reached the end of the workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around to the workshop of our pre-college programs. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app. You can download our app at the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications from my counselor. We're also very much appreciated if you rated and review us on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate any feedback you all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this video, or if you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more workshops, for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.